Welcome to Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society Group of Institutions. This is Kameshwari, Department of Civil Engineering. Third year, first semester, R18 BTech regulation. Before classes, we already discussed consistency index model problems. Two problems will be discussed. First, what is liquid limit, what is plastic limit, and consistency index. So, that consistency index related problems we already discussed and determined in previous classes. Now, another model of consistency limit, consistency index. A clay, what is the first step before solving the problem? Before solving the problem, the first step is, first of all, read out the problem. A clay soil has a liquid limit and plastic limit 70% and 30% respectively. If the liquidity index of clay is 0.5, estimate its natural moisture content plasticity index. First of all, write given data. First of all, write given data for any problem. First of all, write the given data. First, read out the problem carefully and identify the what are the required data, and first write the what is the formula used for solving the problem. So a clay soil has a liquid limit and plastic limit is, write given data. Given data, first liquid limit is equal to liquid limit, the symbol is LLR WL. The liquid limit WL is equal to WL is equal to 70%. WL is equal to 70%. And plastic limit is 30%. Plastic limit is plastic limit symbol W. P is equal to P is equal to 0.30%. Plastic limit 30%. And liquidity index I suffix L is equal to 0.5. I suffix L is equal to 0.5. This is the given data. So the given data is liquid limit WL is equal to 70% and plastic limit W suffix P is equal to 30%, and liquidity index I suffix L is equal to 0.5. Now you can determine the estimate its natural water content and plasticity index. Now we can solve the natural water content and plasticity index. First, asking natural water content. What is the formula for natural water content? Natural water content W. So by Using another formula, I suffix L, liquid limit, liquidity index is equal to, it is the different natural water content plasticity index to the plasticity, water content to the plasticity index. Sorry, liquidity index is equal to natural water content to the plasticity index. So here I suffix L value is given 0.5. That is equal to natural water content. Now we can determine WP, plastic limit, is equal to 30%. So 30 by I suffix P, plasticity index, I suffix P value. I suffix P value also is not given. So here already it is given plasticity index. So we can determine the plasticity index. How to find the plasticity index? Now write plasticity index. Plasticity index. Plasticity index. I suffix P is equal to, I suffix P is equal to, what is the formula? It is the difference between the liquid limit minus plastic limit. It is the difference between the liquid limit minus plastic limit. What is the value of liquid limit? The value of liquid limit and plastic limit. Liquid limit value is 70. Plastic value is 30. So that values will be substituted in plasticity index. 70 minus 30. 70 minus 30 is equal to 40%. Plasticity index, it is expressed as percentage. It is expressed as percentage. So 40%. That plasticity index value we can substitute in above equation, that is we can determine water content. So that one is 40%. So we can substitute 0.4, that is equal to 30. It is make it as here liquidity index is given in points, so it is also make it as points, that is equal to 0.7 and 0.3. Some cases it is given in 50, directly we can take as that value, but here given in points na, so this value is also taken as points by 40% na, 40%. So 0.4, 0.5 is equal to W minus 0.3 by 0.4. Why? Because of water content, W is equal to 0.5. That is equal to 50%. Is equal to 50%. The value is 50%. So here given the liquidity index of clay is 0.5 and determine the natural water content and plasticity index. So soil has liquidity and plasticity value is 70% and 30% and index is 0.5. So we can determine the natural water content and plasticity index. First of all, we can know the what is the formula required for water content and what is the formula required for plasticity index. The plasticity index formula is I suffix P is equal WL minus WP. So the value we can get 40%. So that 40% will be substituted in above equation plasticity index. So finally we will get water content is equal to 50%. For determine any problem, we can go for this way only. First of all, read out the problem and write given data and write with abbreviations in clear way, step by step, and written formula, and that values will be substituted in formula, and finally we can write the result. So this is the another model for related to that plastic limit, liquid limit, and plasticity index. Thank you.